I'm done with studying for the day. What will we do now?
Come on!
Let's go! Studying at the English Division of Medical University of Warsaw is not just about classes. It's about life, here, in a city full of energy. When I need some peace and quiet, I head to Łazienki Park. This is my way of escaping the city buzz. You don't even have to leave the city to catch that summer vibe. We have a beach right here at the heart of Warsaw.
You're it.
Oh, what? The boulevards are a must visit. A bit of movement, good coffee, and a great atmosphere. This is where Warsaw really comes alive. How are you guys? We've only shown you a glimpse of what life in Warsaw is like. Join us to come experience it for yourself. Come to Warsaw!